Well, you know, it's artist theory, you know. I deal with a foundation for a kitchen, you know. That's a foundation, huh? But I know it's artist theory, you know. Kitchen of a bill.